In the kitchen, safety comes first. Let's talk about some simple steps to prevent cooking fires this Thanksgiving.
Be aware, fires are 3 times more likely to occur on Thanksgiving Day than any other day of the year.
Never leave your cooking unattended. Stay in the kitchen, especially when using high heat.
Deep frying a turkey can be delicious, but following safety guidelines is essential to avoid dangerous accidents.
Make sure your turkey is completely thawed and dried before lowering into oil. Water and oil do not mix and can make a dangerous splatter.
Never leave your fryer unattended and keep kids and pets at a safe distance while in use.
Keep a fire extinguisher nearby and make sure everyone in the home knows how to use it.
Keep flammable items like towels and wooden utensils away from the stove to prevent accidental fires.
If a grease fire starts, cover the pan with the lid, cut off the heat, and never use water to put it out.
Test your smoke alarms regularly to ensure that they're working in case of cooking fires.
Have a safe and happy Thanksgiving.
From all of us at Charlotte Fire.